known to be one of the most intense applications out there, and Yamada has your back. Yamada pumps that are suitable for this industry range from half-inch to 2-inch, including the G50, Xtreme Duty Pro, and our new G50 Series aluminum pumps. They are all equipped to handle these tough applications. This includes clay and lime slurries mixing applications, glaze transfers, filter press processes, mold filling and cleaning, batching, and much more. The classic G50 aluminum pumps utilizes superior air valve technology and independent pilot mechanisms, making them reliable with efficient operation. Xtreme Duty Pro pumps are specifically designed and ideal for filter press, high pressure, extended deadheading, long runs of discharge pipe, and where air consumption is critical. G50 is a direct drop-in replacement to existing brands, making a pump change-out easy without a need to reconfigure piping. Yamada even offers a solution for those extra abrasive jobs. We consistently get longer lives and can prove it. For more information, email us at sales@yamadapump.com or call toll-free 1-800-990-7867